Tigrinya Alphabet, Fidel. In this lesson, we will learn 4 more letters.
Me, we, a, ha.
We will call this group the me, or rounded edge group. Let's work out how we put the marks.
Me, mu, mi, ma, mie, me, mo. We, a, ha. Me, mu, mi, ma, mie, me, mo. We, wu, we, wa, we, wo, wo. A, ru, I, a, e, o. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho.
Sewasu grammar sentence structure in Tigrinya. In English, a sentence is formed as follows. The subject comes first, then the verb, predicate, and finally the object. In Tigrinya, however, the subject comes first, followed by the object, and then the verb. Let's look at an example. In English, I have a car. In Tigrinya, ana makina ala tini. In Tigrinya, the verb comes at the end of the sentence.
Follow the channel. Collect the lessons. That way you won't miss any.